Organizationally, the church has a very elaborate and structured constitution and governing body. It has a board of trustees who oversee the interests of the church and a committee which takes care of its regular functioning. The church has its worship service on Sundays from 10 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. The church worship service is in Malayalam, but in its sensitivity to non-Malayali members, there is translation into Hindi or English. A caring church always takes care of all sections of its members. Children from toddler age to junior college level are given solid training through the Sunday school. The Sunday school has 7 classes taught by very dedicated teachers from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. every Sunday. Youth are the future of the church, and this saying is taken with all its seriousness. Youth meetings of the Pentecostal Young People's Association is held after worship service once a month. There are youth retreats, Bible class sessions specially for the youth. A magazine called Talent was also printed by the youth. The youth have been involved in outreach ministry in the slums of Ramabai Colony through a Sunday school. Sisters have been the pillar and strength of the church through their valuable prayers. The Sisters Fellowship meets every Friday morning for prayers and is also involved in hospital visiting, house visiting, spreading the gospel, and helping the needy. The church has been regularly supporting mission fields in pioneering areas of Maharashtra. Prime importance is given to the Word of God. Every Sunday there is a Bible class for all members from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. simultaneously with the Sunday school. There is an annual Bible class for 5 days every year where renowned Bible teachers impart biblical training which is beneficial not only for its members but also for the believers of nearby churches. There is a good collection of books, Bible commentaries, biographies for young and old in the library of the church. The church has been abreast with times and technology. It has a well-developed internet site. This site has helped many tourists and business travelers from USA, Africa, Korea, and Hong Kong to know about a Pentecostal worship and has helped them to worship God in Mumbai. The Choir of Mizar, the official choir of IPC Bombay, which started as the Bombay Spiritual Singers in the early 1980s, is a group of talented musicians and singers who have been leading the praise and worship sessions in the Sunday worship. It has also been leading singing sessions in all conventions, special meetings, and marriages. It has also brought out an audio tape called God's Providence. The church is not just a place of spiritual bonding, but it is also a place of sharing various moods. The annual church picnic is one such event that all members participate wholeheartedly. The games played together and the time spent together increases the bond among the members.